How to unban OmeTV account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, understand the reason for the unban. Review any emails or notifications from OmeTV to identify why your account was banned at the first place. Common reasons include violations of community guidelines or terms of service. Now, wait for a cooling off period. Some bans may be temporary. Check if there is a specific duration mentioned. If so, simply waiting it out might be your best option. You can also try to contact OmeTV support. To contact, visit the official OmeTV website or app. Look for the Contact Us option or support section. Send a polite email or message explaining your situation and requesting a review of your ban. You can also create a new account if necessary. If your ban is permanent and you cannot get it lifted, you may need to create a new account. Use a different email address and consider changing your username. So, this is how you can unban OmeTV account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.